gotta stop touching my camera lens, but yeah. Hello you guys and welcome to today's video. My name is Stella and today we're doing something really fun. We're actually gonna be doing like a mood board that's gonna gather all our goals for the next year. Yeah. Okay, before we get started, let me put some pants on and I'll tell you what you need. How about this? This is so soft, guys. This is from Fashion Nova and it's like, if you haven't had it yet, just go get it. All right, I think for this project, you'll need a lot of coffee, a lot of inspiration, knowing what you want and what you dream of for this year. And yeah, I think I'll take you inside. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so we moved in the living room and I think I'm gonna be chilling here on the ground. I just want to tell you guys that the whole inspiration behind this is a video of Amber's, that she's doing that for quite some time now and it's really inspiring. I always thought I should make one. And like, for example, this time it's February already, I haven't done any. And then I figured, why not? Just do it now, even if you're a month late. So this is me doing my dream board for 2022. And I would suggest you guys watch, chilled with me, and I would give you many ideas on how you can make your own. All right, before we start, chilling. I got the tripod, I got Dexy. Hi! And I got my supplies. Oh. Great. Anyways, I will be showing you right away. Excuse me? We'll need this. Yeah, we'll need this. No. That's not the way to go for that. Oh my god, baby, you're sitting on my inspo. Please, no. Okay, come here. See here. Oh, are you gonna do my mood board? Are you gonna do my mood board? Are you? Actually, you might be better at this than I would, but... I got him this octopus yesterday and he is obsessed. Anyways, so the supplies you'll need: pictures. I used Pinterest. Just go print them out like I did, cut them. So yeah, you'll need that, some glue. I just got my tape because I'm not that extra. Perfect. Could you please move? That's where the board is gonna be. Please move. No. Yeah, that's perfect. No. People are gonna be afraid of you if you do that. We gotta show them how good of a pup you are. All right, get it. This is not really flattering, but we'll just roll with it. You got your tape, you got your board. You can choose whatever color inspires you, but I chose black, I like it. So you lay down, and this is my inspo. Those are some other prints to hang on my walls. This is one of my favorites. It says, when someone says you can't do it twice and take pictures. Girl, do it for you. Like Amber says, you have to start with your main goal for this year. My main goal, like a little quote that will guide you, is something that you wanna remind yourself all the time. And for me, it's going to be this, which says, good things come to those who work their asses off and never give up. I just want to be more motivated, even if I don't see results straight away. That's gonna go here. We have this one, explore the unseen. This is gonna go right here because I really want to start traveling more. Great. So I guess I could consider myself Archie, and I wanted to focus on some singing, dancing, and sketching again. There we go. Sing more. Billy. And some more inspiration from Gaga. yoga. We're gonna be doing yoga this year. My goal is to be able to do some handstands. So we put a handstand here. And now moving on the healthy stuff. Cook more. Some of you might know I am following a vegetarian diet. I put a bunch of those pictures just for reference. I want to focus on eating more veggies instead of carbs and stuff like that. So there are my veggies. Eat more legumes, which are, by the way, amazing. Eat some breakfast that's actually healthy. And some more veggies. Seems to be working out, look. Gigi's the one that has this body. I would like to see my tummy a little toned this year. This is gonna remind me. Perfect. And now let's move on the work stuff. So for my content creation, I really want to get partnered on YouTube. I've been wanting that since I started, don't get me wrong. But I think that seeing it like visually, I photoshopped this so that I see it every day. Seeing this is gonna help me reach my goal. Let's hope that on 2022, we get partnered. I would also love to focus on some shorter videos like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels. Perfect. And with that being said, I would really dream of having a video going viral. And if we do make a viral video, wouldn't it be great to have some passive income too? I'm gonna put this here so I can make some more research on this topic and actually maybe make some money as well while sleeping. Materialistically speaking, I would like to get a MacBook so that I can edit my videos anywhere. I want to go to Starbucks and just be one of those people that sit alone, drink their coffee, look at the sunshine, and edit their videos on their MacBook. So we're gonna put that here. Now we're gonna move into some more styling stuff. I would like to take a picture of my outfit every day. I want to style my outfits. I want to go a little more in depth instead of just jeans and a t-shirt, which is also, by the way, amazing. So I'm gonna put that here and I'm just gonna spice it up with this. I want to have healthy hair that's long and beautiful and black this year. Yeah, I know, maybe Kim is using extensions, but I'm just gonna pay a little more attention to my hair. Wear more jewelry. Put my hair in space buns because they're awesome and I vibe with them every time I have them. Wear some nice lingerie because they make you feel awesome. Get lip fillers because I want to try it. Drink a bunch of water because we gotta hydrate that body and sometimes I forget. And last but not least, I found this quote that I really liked and it says, visualize your highest self, then show up as her, which pretty much means fake it until you make it, and I think this is pretty powerful and you should do it. Okay, and I think that should be it. Here is my dream board for 2022. This is what it looks like. We got traveling, eating healthy, drawing, dancing, singing, yoga, handstand, better body, mirror selfies, MacBook, styling, more jewelry, lingerie, space buns, better hair, more water, lip fillers, or just this girl in general. Okay, hi. Get partnered, passive income, short videos, go viral. That's gonna be amazing. And there's our motto, good things come to those who wait. Good things come to those who work their asses off and never give up. Okay guys, so this was it. Thank you all so much for watching. Shout out to Amber that inspired me all those years to keep believing in my dream and keep doing what I want to do. And don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this video. Until the next one.